welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another vlog. It's actually Sunday right now. I woke up this morning feeling kind of sick. My throat feels kind of weird. I'm stuffed up. I also need to be very productive today because I'm going to be missing a couple days of classes, so I need to do a ton of work. But yeah, it's like 10 o'clock right now. I'm just drinking an iced coffee. I have a lot of homework to do today. I have a paper that I need to write. I need to do all my work that I will be missing for Wednesday through Friday. And on top of that, just the homework that's due tomorrow. So today's gonna be a very school-oriented day. But right now I think I'm just gonna get my life together a little bit. I'm gonna make my bed, drink my coffee, listen to the latest episode of my favorite podcast. This is Thick and Thin by Katie Bellotti. So good. I've actually been really wanting to start a podcast. So if you guys would want me to make one, let me know. I'm gonna get my life together and then I will check back in with you guys. You guys want to say hi to my vlog? I love going on Instagram Live. It's like one of my favorite things to do because one of my favorite parts of making videos is being able to like talk to you guys and it just feels like we're friends. So I love going on Instagram Live because I can like chat with you guys and answer all your questions and just like talk, give advice, and just like see what you guys are up to. So if you guys want to go on, I usually go on not every day, but like every other day, every couple days. So definitely follow me on Instagram. I've been trying to post on my Instagram story more too. I just love it. But yeah, so I made my bed, I finished my coffee, I got all ready. Not that I'm going anywhere today, I just have plans on like kind of getting my life together like I said earlier and doing some homework. But I always feel better once I get all ready. Just like doing my hair and doing my makeup just makes me feel a lot better about myself. Even if I'm not gonna see anyone, I feel a lot better. I don't know. I know other people can relate to this, but I really just do it for me and it makes a difference in my day when I want to be productive. But yeah, I'm wearing this sweatshirt today. It's like a crew neck from Brandy Melville. I love it. I literally live in sweatshirts. It's like 12 o'clock right now. I'm gonna plan out the rest of my day with my Google Calendar that I've talked about before, where I just plan everything out hour by hour and make sure I'm on track. Just start getting some stuff done. So I'm feeling a lot less stressed out. Now that I've planned out my day. I am taking a trip towards the end of this week, so I'm gonna be missing a couple days of classes. So I'm gonna do my classes ahead of time as if I went to the class. So like I'm gonna go online and look at all the lectures that I'm gonna be missing and take notes on them, ask my professors questions I have ahead of time so that I don't feel too guilty about missing class. But because I'm missing those couple days, I have a lot of work to do today. I like having all my homework and assignments done way in advance so that they're not hanging over my head. So I'm gonna have a lot to do today. My friend and I are actually gonna head to the gym right now. We're gonna do a little bit of a leg day and end it off with some abs, so I will insert that for you guys. And then after the gym, I think we're gonna go get some lunch. I will insert my workout here and I'll put the whole thing, the entire workout that I did, in the description in case you guys want to do it yourself. The whole workout set that I'm wearing today is gonna be from Lululemon and I will have it all linked in the description in case you guys want to purchase it. And yeah, let's get to it.
Já viu rico namorar pobre?
The noise helps me. after lunch. We had a really good workout. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna put that in the description for you guys in case you want to try it out. I'm already sore, which is a good sign. I always get pissed when I'm not sore after like a leg day because obviously I'm in the gym working hard. Like I want to be really sore after because it's like I know that I'm getting somewhere. I know there's a purpose, so this is a good one. So right now I'm actually just doing a little bit of homework and I'm gonna actually start editing some videos, getting on top of things. Later I have a lot more homework to do where I'm strictly gonna be doing homework and not any video things. So right now I'm kind of balancing a little bit of both. I don't necessarily need to get all of this done. I definitely want to get done my lecture notes. That's why I put them right there. And then I definitely want to work on my research paper. So the only two things that I really need to get done today are my research paper and notes. So these three I can hold off till tomorrow night, but I definitely want to get these done before I have to head off for my trip. Yeah, follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see all that. But this video will actually be going up while I'm on the trip, so you guys will see the video that I'm making while I'm there probably a week after this video is uploaded, so stay tuned for that. I just finished importing a bunch of clips for the video that I'm editing. I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Hello. I'm down in the basement doing some homework with Megan.
I'm like cutting my face because I look so bad.
No, you don't. You're cute. This morning I said how I woke up and like my throat was like really hurting, so I got orange juice because I don't have any of those like vitamin C things. Maybe this will give me some vitamin C and help me feel better. I think right now I'm gonna start trying to write my psychology research paper. I really don't want to. Megan's face. I really don't want to do this.
I feel like that's gonna be long. Like, do they say how many pages has to be?
I think it has to be 3.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, not
that's
bad.
like,
but I just need to like grind and get it done because I don't want to have to do it tomorrow. It's due Friday, so like I'm just trying to get it done so I don't have to worry about it. Let's get it. Update, we got Buffalo Wild Wings. It's like 9 p.m. right now. We have an addition. Alright, I'm back in my room. I literally never do skincare ever. I always take off my makeup at night, but I just don't have a skincare routine. I just use these wet cleansing towelettes from Target. Once I'm done with that, I just take my Cetaphil moisturizer. Next, I'm just taking my Olay Eyes Deep Hydrating Gel. If you can sense a pattern, I keep my skincare very simple and very hydrating because I have the driest skin ever, especially in the winter. But I just put this under my eyes and over my eyelids. I've been really wanting to try some different like serums or like vitamin serums for my face, so if you guys have any recommendations, I really want to get into skincare more, so I would appreciate any tips and product recommendations that you guys have. Sometimes when I'm feeling it, I will use my face roller. I'll link an article down below in case you guys want to read about the benefits of face rolling. I just love using the face roller. Definitely not a daily thing for me just because I don't always have time, but something that I really do love to use when I have the time. I'm just gonna put my hair up in my scrunchie and put my retainer in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know any requests that you guys have for me. Subscribe to see more videos and turn my post notifications on so you don't miss when I upload. Like this video if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.